Oh, there's no bullets. One job. You're so close, Jacko, mate. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, now Neil's winning the premiership.
Richard's now got the ball. What are you doing, Steve? Oh, Richard!
Come on! Pass the ball to Richard! Oh! Is someone at the door? Oh, there you go, chef's, yeah. You know Spanner.
Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah, he's a good mate of ours from high school. He made it really big.
Oh yeah, fucking big.
Yeah, like Spanner! Oi! Stephen! Check who's at the door! Well, he was a good mate of ours in high school, you know. We could have been famous with him, so...
Oh, Spanner! Oh, Spanner! Senior! Oh, Spanner! Oh,
it's been so long.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, come on, we're watching the footy. The story of how we got famous is, so at the talent show, we were performing Land Down Under.
Yeah, that was fucking amazing.
Stephen's girlfriend, Melissa.
You had to bring her up, didn't you fucking want her?
I'm sorry.
You had to fucking bring her. You had to fucking bring her.
No,
oh, fuck no fucking bullets, fucking. I'll eat my fucking moon, cunt.
Oh, is this mate?
Holly, no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, who's that?
Oh, man, now a couple years
Anyway,
back.
back to the story. So we were performing Land Down Under, and this fucking Branger in the crowd was doing some magic show. Oh, so it turns out his dad was some major music guy, comes up to us and he's like, oh, do you boys want to be famous? And he only picked out Spanner because he had a cool singing voice. Oh yeah, I can't say I
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
where'd you been all this time?
Oh, you know, heaven and hell, you know.
yeah, you've done any shows in Manhattan?
Oh, no, let's go get some chewies, eh?
Oh, there's also been some theories around going that he did 9/11. And the speculation is that he was doing a show in Manhattan, and like right as the tower struck, he was off stage, and when the buildings collapsed, he went back on stage. So yeah, people think that he was off stage so he could like help them do 9/11. And there's also another theory going around that he's Jesus, but like I've seen Jesus before. Here's a picture of him. Looks nothing like him. What are these people on about? Great idea.
Yeah. What am I?
Yeah. So he made songs. One of his most popular ones is VB by the Bedpost. Alright boys, how about we do VB by the Bedpost?
Oh, yeah.
A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. VB by the Bedpost. Oh yes, Richard.
Oh, fucking.
Alright, boys, I'm just gonna buy some groceries, don't let anyone in, okay?
Hey,
Alright,
Spanner,
see you
fucking
then.
Bonnie!
Fucking
Hell, man.
Breaker!
Come on, Bonnie!
We should have passed it.
Alright.
Let's fucking do a Spanner.
I know.
Stay here.
We have to get a fucking new one, eh?
I heard you the first time, come. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, evening officer.
It's the police.
Oh,
We just came here to ask you a few questions, alright?
Do you want a VB?
So, we were just, is this the residency of one Facebook user with the name, what was it, I don't know. Diary Munch of 2014?
Oh yeah, that's fucking Warner's account.
Alright, well, last night he posted a photo of Spanner. You know Spanner?
Yeah, Spanner. Yeah.
We're just trying to find out his whereabouts, so may I come in?
Hey, I'll get you a VB straight away.
So, back to business. Alright. So Spanner, we all know you. You're really good. You're really good at music, alright? Yeah. So, that's not why we're here. I'm a huge fan, but that's not why we're here. Awesome. So basically, what we were trying to do, right? So we were just trying to find where you were. We'll track you down. Sounds a little scary, that, but we just didn't know where you were because you were fucking in America a couple of years, fucking couple hours ago or some shit. How'd you get there? Whatever, none of you. Yeah. Was it right to get to talk to you? Yeah. So, mate, basically, we're just trying to get you to cover up some rumors. I mean, sorry, I'm just getting so nervous right here, mate.
It's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, so, basically, we're just trying to get you to elaborate on some rumors we heard about, you know, you being Jesus.
Oh, yeah, well, what do you mean?
Alright. Basically, these rumors, you know, they're basically untrue. I mean, how could you be Jesus and do 9/11?
How's that possible, you know?
Yeah. So, that's basically it. And we also wanted to talk, like on our way here, we also wanted to talk to Warner.
Why?
Because, just to see if maybe he's done it. So I had to get away from the job right now.
It's fine, though.
What would you think if your son would want that? Like he wants it for Halloween. And
Say to get rid of him, you know?
Hey guys, I'm back from grocery shopping. Did you help me out with the...
I'm gonna make myself into some, I'll be back.
Okay, there's some turkey in the fridge.
Let's sit down. Hey, sit down.
Okay. So there's some butter in the fridge, John.
I already ate it all.
Good evening, sir. How are you, mate? Oh, yeah?
I'm Jim Jefferson and I'm Jack
Who
Hood.
you are? Okay.
This is my son.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, mate.
You get it, mate?
Yeah.
So we're just trying to ask you some questions regarding Spanner. So there's some rumors going around that he's actually Jesus, right? I mean, who would believe that?
I know. I've seen Jesus before. He looks nothing like him, mate.
That's pretty hard to believe, mate. Yeah.
No, fuck, mate. I can tell you, mate.
Are you not?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so that's basically it.
Oh, Spanner, turkey's in the freezer, you wondering?
Yeah, Spanny. Oh, you can come back now, Spanny.
Yes, Spanner. Oh,
Spanner?
Sit down here, boys.
No, where did it wake you up? No, where did you go?
Spanner, is that you?
Spanner?
What the fuck's making rock for? Wait, sir. Oh, shit.
No, I got it. Oh, fuck.
Where's it going? What? So, cops came over. I wanted to question Spanner and see if he was Jesus or did 9/11.
He's bloody Jesus.
Yeah. Long story short, Spanner's been taken away to further questioning. I don't know where he's been. It's been 4 hours. I just haven't seen him anywhere.
What about it's going? Just worried, you know?
Yeah, I'm saying, where's the poor bloke?
Oh, yeah, no. Oh, look, footy's back on.
Oh yeah! Go Jacko!
Jacko! When's Spanner gonna be back?
It's been far too long.
Like 8 days now.
Yeah. Someone's at the door. Spanner! You're back, mate!
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
You're back there.
What do you like to know?
Oh, please, mate. Please. Come on, mate. I've got a family. I've got a wife. Come on.
Case closed, motherfucker!
Oh, great story, Spanner.
Alright, let's go.
Come on, let's go watch some footy.
First, let me get some nuts.